Okay. Okay. Good morning. Take your workbook. Workbook or grammar book. No grammar. That text. Grammar text. When usually we are doing CD work. Last class I told. Please keep it with. Abhyas Pustika workbook. Please take that. Take. Okay. Abhyas Pustika.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Who is that? Good afternoon.
Ma'am,
Risa. Risa. Ah.
Ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, good morning. Take care. Hindi Abhyas Pustika.
Good morning, ma'am.
See this book. See this book.
Which book, ma'am?
Abhyas Pustika. See this
Workbook.
workbook. Our workbook. Take. Last class already I told.
Ma'am, page.
Page number 2. Already we did that. Okay. Rajani ma'am, tuition period I did this. So today page number 2 and 3. 2, 3. 2, 3, 4 we will do. Take number 2. Page number 2. But only 21 participants here. What about others?
20 participants.
20. Where they went?
20 participants. Only 20, ma'am.
Only 21 reach.
No, ma'am. No. 20. Only 20, ma'am.
20 and 21. I'm seeing here 21. 1 by coming.
Ma'am, it's 19. 19. Now it's 20. 20 itself.
20. So, take page
Ma'am,
number
it's
19. Okay.
No, 20.
Page number 2. Just I will read. After that, I will give question. Right answer. Okay. Sanya is karth noun. Kisi व्यक्ति स्थान वस्तु. Page number 2. अभ्यास पुस्तिका में पेज नंबर 2.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Breaking now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Don't say like everything okay. Huh? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Text workbook.
Yes. Sanya chapter. I will read.
Workbook.
Please mute your audio. Please mute all. Take workbook. Workbook. Oh, Glenn Bejo coming now. They will ask what is ma'am. Okay. किसी व्यक्ति स्थान वस्तु अथवा भाव के नाम को संज्ञा कहते हैं. Already we learned that. संज्ञा के बाद व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा proper noun, जातिवाचक संज्ञा common noun, भाववाचक संज्ञा abstract noun, समूहवाचक संज्ञा collective noun, द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा material noun. व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा का उदाहरण सुजाता, रामू, दिल्ली. सुजाता मीनिंग क्या है? नेम. ओके. सुजाता पेज नंबर 2. अभ्यास पुस्तिका. ग्लेन. अभ्यास पुस्तिका. कृद्वी अभ्यास पुस्तिका. ओके. Sujata meaning name. Ramu name, Delhi place name, Himalay mountain, Kolkata place name, Gandhiji one person name. Okay. Next one. जातिवाचक संज्ञा लड़की लड़की अर्थ क्या है लड़की मीन्स
Girl.
देश देश country देश right if you don't know meaning right there देश country UNTRY there itself in the textbook
Subject.
देश country COUNTRY
Page number.
page number 2
You.
अभ्यास पुस्तिका page number 2 जातिवाचक संज्ञा second one जातिवाचक संज्ञा means second लड़की after देश देश meaning country okay next one पर्वत पर्वत mountain पर्वतम नदी
Mountain. River.
river नारी
Nari.
नारियाम women
Nari. Woman.
so बच्चा
Baby.
child
Ma'am, what is the
लड़का
meaning of
boy
Boy.
Nadi means?
औरत woman
Ma'am,
Aurat
meaning of
woman.
Nadi.
next one
Lady.
lady lady भाववाचक संज्ञा I will write here सुंदरता सुंदरता meaning beauty सुंदरता beauty if you want to write there सुंदरता beauty सुंदरता right सुंदरता
Beauty.
सुंदरता beauty next one ऊंचाई
Unjai.
high
Hi. We should write in the rough book.
no in the textbook itself you write high हाँ अभ्यास पुस्तिका में लिखो मिठास sweetness खुशी happy
Happiness.
हरियाली greenery हरियाली greenery हरियाली greenery बचपन childhood
Bachpan. Childhood.
childhood
Adi.
आदि meaning etc आदि meaning etc the next one समूहवाचक संज्ञा बीड समूहवाचक संज्ञा में बीड बीड मीनिंग क्या है बीड क्राउड बीड क्राउड सेना आर्मी सेना आर्मी सेना आर्मी परिवार फैमिली नेक्स्ट वन
Ma'am, can you say that? We can't hear you.
you can't hear
Your sound is breaking. Ma'am, mute. I can't hear what you're saying. Ma'am, your sound is breaking. I can't hear what you're saying. Your sound is not break.
Sound is breaking. I can't hear you.
No, ma'am, your sound is not breaking.
And now it is okay.
And what is the name of class?
Your sound is breaking.
Ma'am, Kasmin.
Please mute your audio. Risa Abdul, why you didn't mute? Risa Abdul, mute it. Right meaning? In the book itself, right meaning.
Ma'am, where we should write?
In the textbook itself, here.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Our book itself. Yeah.
Mute your audio. Oof, yeah, it's time I repeat again there. Glenn. Oof. Okay. Finish. Next, last one. Dravyavajaka Sanya. Sona. Sona meaning gold. Sona, gold. Pattar. Pattar meaning stone. Pattar, stone. Pani. Pani, water. Doodh, milk. Next one, right? Goon. Goon meaning goon, blood. Goon, blood. Ghee itself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Oil.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, join now because of the network problem.
who is that?
Sarah.
Sarah, take your Abhyas Pustika. We are doing Abhyas Pustika. Page number 2 and 3. Now we are writing page number 3, some words meaning.
Okay, ma'am.
Pearl, oil. Next one, Gohum, not Gehu. Gehum. Gehu.
Ma'am, today is my birthday also.
Gehu meaning wheat. Okay. Next, last one, Chana. Chana. Chana meaning gram.
Ma'am, where we should write it?
In the textbook, workbook, Abhyas Pustika itself. Where is Abhyas Pustika? There. Okay. So now listen. व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा का उदाहरण सुजाता, रामू, दिल्ली, हिमालय, कोलकाता, गांधी जी. जातिवाचक संज्ञा के उदाहरण लड़की, देश, पर्वत, नदी, नारी, बच्चा, लड़का, औरत. भाववाचक संज्ञा के उदाहरण सुंदरता, ऊंचाई, मिठास, खुशी, हरियाली, बचपन आदि. आदि मीनिंग एक्सेट्रा. समूहवाचक संज्ञा के उदाहरण भीड़, सेना, कक्षा, परिवार, सभा आदि. द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा के उदाहरण सोना, पत्थर, पानी, दूध, घून, घी, तल, गेहूं, चना आदि. आदि मीनिंग एक्सेट्रा. I think almost all got this. Okay, then take CD homework 1. CD homework question क्या है? Listen. फूल का चित्र बनाकर, लिसन हियर, फूल का, एक फूल का चित्र बनाकर उसके पंगुड़ियों, पंगुड़ियों मीनिंग पेटल, पंगुड़ियों में संज्ञा के 5 भेद लिखो. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
फूल का चित्र बनाकर,
Yes,
फूल
ma'am.
का चित्र बनाकर उसके पंगुड़ियों, पंगुड़ियों मीनिंग पेटल, पंगुड़ियों में संख्या के 5 भेद लिखो. तो कितना पंगुड़ियां चाहिए? 5.
Ma'am,
हाँ
join now because of the network issue.
हाँ, that is अभ्यास पुस्तिका पेज नंबर 3. Take. We are doing CD homework now. I gave some words meaning. Page number 2 and 3. भाववाचक संज्ञा, समूहवाचक संज्ञा, द्रव्यवाचक संज्ञा. Okay.
Ma'am, I can't speaking.
Ma'am, fool means the flower
Ma'am, I
like,
can't
right?
understand anything.
Who is that? I will show.
Ma'am, fool means flower, right?
I didn't understand.
Ma'am, your sound is breaking. Ma'am, your sound.
Ma'am, I didn't understand. Reading homework.
Ma'am, can you tell the page number?
Page number 3. Page number 3. Right, look here. फूल का चित्र बनाकर उसके पंगुड़ियों में संज्ञा का. I will show here. Wait there.
We can draw it now.
Ah, yes, draw now. How? See, write today's date. Write today's date. CD homework 1. Okay. Right. How? Draw one picture.
2020.
As you like you draw. Just I am simply drawing here.
We can draw flower around.
As you like you draw, no problem. I just draw like this. Okay, then what we'll do? Right? संज्ञा के भेद, व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा. Where look, page number 2 and right without spelling mistake. Page number 2 and right. व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा इसी तरह लिखो. नेक्स्ट जातिवाचक संज्ञा. थर्ड वन भाववाचक संज्ञा. समूहवाचक संज्ञा. This is our activity, okay? Activity is clear. Next class I will check your Abhyas Pustika and I will give mark. Okay. Then CD homework 1. Next class I will check your book. This is activity. According your activity I will give mark. Page number 2, look and write. Page number 2, please look and write.
Ma'am, I
Riza
over.
Abdul Kalam, what happened? Riza Abdul Kalam, what happened?
Ma'am, I cannot see the board now.
Huh?
I cannot see the board.
That is your problem. Who is that?
My over. Ma'am, in English.
Huh?
Ma'am, my over.
Who is that? Not seeing the board. Other students are you?
Nainika, ma'am.
Nainika.
Nainika.
Ma'am, you did not share the board.
Huh?
Ma'am, now you have not shared the board, but before there was.
Now okay?
I was we did not see.
Yes or no?
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Next, CD homework 2. CD homework 2, page number 4. 2 column is there. 2 column is there now? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Yes. First column, जातिवाचक संज्ञा के 3 उदाहरण लिखो. फर्स्ट कॉलम में जातिवाचक संज्ञा के 3 उदाहरण लिखो. Okay. I will write now. Sorry. First column में व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा के 3 उदाहरण लिखो. Second column में जातिवाचक संज्ञा के 4 उदाहरण. I think this reading homework 1 or finish. Shall I run? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the voice is coming.
Next.
Blur.
CD.
your voice is breaking again.
Again start. So maybe your computer.
No, ma'am, your voice is perfect. It's not breaking. Your sound is very clear.
Ma'am, your sound is clear, ma'am. That is
Your voice is not breaking.
Rusa's problem.
Yeah, it's her network issue.
Mute.
Ma'am, second column.
First column. Second column. First column. व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा के 3 उदाहरण.
Ma'am, second column what?
व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा के 3 उदाहरण. Then 1, 2, 3. Second column, जातिवाचक संज्ञा के वाचक संज्ञा के 4 उदाहरण.
Ma'am, you are stuck.
4 उदाहरण. 1,
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am.
Ma'am, there is a disturbing sound.
Siddhi, Rissa, please mute your audio. Who is QC on BTB? No name there. Finish. Zara, where is your name? I can't say. I'm here. QCOMBTB. Please give a rename. Zara. Huh. Finish. No. Okay. Finish. Did you finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Avantika not finish? Avantika not finish?
No, ma'am.
Okay, once more I will share. Right.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, Jadi Vajika Sanya, you wrote 4.
Hmm?
You have to give 3 examples, but you wrote 1, 2, 3, and 4.
हाँ जातिवाच्य संज्ञा के 4 उदाहरण हैं।
Okay, ma'am.
व्यक्तिवाच्य संज्ञा के 3 उदाहरण, बट जातिवाच्य संज्ञा के 4 उदाहरण।
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I'm joined now because of network connection.
Who is that?
Adidev.
Adidev.
Ma'am, Adidev. Ma'am, because of error.
Adidev. Today we did our
Yes.
workbook. Grammar book.
Ma'am, that I know, but before 2 minutes I was joining.
Where is Adidev? Adidev, where? Where? Please raise your hands. Adidev, where? Adidev, where? Ah, up to where finish? Workbook.
Ma'am, CD homework 2. CD homework 2.
CD.
Then only My network connection.
CD homework 2 we are doing now also. CD homework 1 you did.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are doing CD homework 2. Only
okay.
this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next class we will continue. CD homework 3 and 4. Today only this much enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you any doubt? Any other students?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Siddhi, please unmute. Say louder. Siddhi, please unmute. Siddhi, please unmute. Say.
I told to my mother.
Simply making sound there.
No, phone is going to off.
Siddhi, I am seeing your face here. Okay. Okay. Please listen here. All students should read page number 2 and 3. How much? 10 times. 10 times. Clear? And the right hand study. संज्ञा के 5 भेद व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा जातिवाचक भाववाचक प्रमुखवाचक द्रव्यवाचक who is that?
Ma'am, what we will call paper in Hindi? Ma'am, Navneet Krishna, what we will call paper in Hindi?
Paper.
Paper in Hindi.
Paper.
Yes, ma'am. In Hindi, what we will tell?
Which paper?
Ma'am, he's asking paper.
Papers. Paper, what will tell?
Kagas.
Kagas. Thank you, ma'am.
For? I didn't understand your question. For what, Navneet?
Ma'am, plain paper.
Okay. So that, okay. Yes, kagas itself. Finish. Okay, next class we will continue. CD homework 4 and CD homework 3 and 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
So please read. Please read next. Please read page number 2 and 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
10.
Okay.
And the right hand study संज्ञा के भेद 5 भेद right hand study.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.